Welcome everyone. So let's get right to it. The market is still trending down. Let's check where the price will reverse for a lot of stocks, where we're gonna see a massive squeeze for a lot of stocks, and we're gonna discuss this buy, where the price will reverse for it, and where the institution will buy for those stock as well. So let's get right to it. Have ATER. The price bounced perfectly around the support, which is the $3.92, and right now testing our resistance, the $5.82. We didn't hold before because we getting near the $8.16, and if we go in the big picture for the SPY, because this will give us the sentiment of the market right now. The SPY got rejected around the 454, double top, the price went down, and guess what? Right now testing important all support around the 420. Here we should see a reversal for the SPY. Otherwise we're gonna have the price continue to go around the 404. And what does mean? The market will still trending down for a lot of stocks, not all the stocks, because some stocks like in pharmaceutical company or some kind of stock have FDA approval will go the other direction of the current of the market. However, the general trend of the market will go down if the SPY didn't hold around the 420 and continue to go down. Here we're gonna see a massive reversal for a lot of stock when the SPY hit the 400, above the 400, and we're gonna see a continuation for a price testing around the 420 next time. So if we go to ATER, the price testing an important resistance again, the 580. We expect the price to continue to go up if we still holding at least above the $4.70 here or $4.50, above our exponential average and above our support. And because even on Ape Wisdom, a lot of Reddit talk about ATER on the section squeeze play is the number one squeeze play on Reddit right now, and we mentioned almost 600 times on Reddit. That's why the price is jumping 7% on the other direction of the current of the market. So if we overcome the 580, we're gonna have the continuation, and this time testing the squeeze area, the $8.16. Next up we have Indo, INDO. We talked about it last time. If you watch our video, first off, we predict this jump from our exponential average, and we got rejected around the 29.37. The price went down and hold again above our exponential average, and right now is still up 2%. However, right now we have a resistant around the 22.23. If we overcome it by the like tomorrow or this week, we're gonna see a continuation, and this time overcome the 29 and go for the 36, the squeeze area, for my opinion. Otherwise, just be careful, because if we don't hold this exponential average above the 16, we're gonna have the price gravitate down around the 11.28, and here we're gonna have a nice buying pressure from the institution around the 11.28 for Indo. Next one we have BBIG, still holding nice support around the $2.20. As we expected, the price held our support perfectly, and what we said, we need to hold this support in order to confirm that the buying pressure is there, and holding this ascending line that will be confirmed if we hold this level. This will confirm that we're doing higher lows, and the price this time will overcome this massive persistent rejection area around this exponential average, and the squeeze area for BBIG is still around the $3.81. So as we said, we need to continue to do higher lows. Otherwise, the $1.59 for BBIG will be the target. And again, the SPY will give us a bit of direction of BBIG if the SPY hold above the 420 and never go below the 400, because this will be another jump down for the SPY, and for my opinion this will be around another 4% down. And for CI, as we said, we're still holding and never testing the 0.70, and we still have kind of rejection area around our MA here. So many tests and the price get rejected. So right now there is a massive buying pressure happening around the 0.70 and a massive selling pressure happening around our AMA. So right now the price been squeezed really tightly between the 0.70 and the 0.85. So the price will be continue to consolidate here in this area until we have some kind of fundamental news to push the price and give the decision for the market to go up or down. Depends on the 10K, because this is right now is depend on the fundamental kind of play right now, because the technical right now you can just see from the technical is undecisive and undecision phase right now between buyer and seller, and we can see that the price between a buyer and seller is kind of in the equilibrium state. That's why we want a definite date for the 10K to confirm the explosion for CEI and go for the test around the $1.49. However, right now we need to hold above the 0.70 before that to happen. Next up, we have charge point testing the 14, as we said, and we're still holding this level in order to confirm the breakout from this ascending line, and the 1947 will be our target to break and break this massive bearish trend for charge point. CENN is still holding our support perfectly around the $1.50 we talked about in our Patreon last time here, and today we talked about Twitter. It was really nice trade around the 44, and the price jumped yesterday because we have a confirmation for Elon Musk actually bought Twitter around the price $54 per share, and that's why the price jumped yesterday 5% up, and to go around the 55 for explosion. However, for CENN, we need to hold the support again around the $1.50 and consolidate to confirm the squeeze around the $2.22. You see what's happened here? The massive jump that we did around the 25th of this month, and the price went down because we get near a massive rejection area to $2.22, and of course the SPY overweight the general trend of the market. That's why the market went down and the price went down. Even we jumped really pretty nicely the past few days. So as we said, CNN hold above the $1.50 consolidation and confirmation for a retest around the $2.22. With IMPP is have a massive rejection area around the 0.59, still not overcome it. We getting near the 0.40. Any price getting around the 0.40, we're gonna see a massive buying pressure happening again, because this is a nice support for AI. I will put my eye on it and already put my notification on this target, the 0.40. IMPP, the $1.45 will be the definite confirmation for the price jumping again and turning for bullish trend. Right now still bearish for AI, from my opinion, still bearish. We might even go below the $1 again if we don't overcome this time the $1.11. We're gonna see the 0.84 for another consolidation area before we're gonna see the price jump. So from my opinion, the $1.45 will be a game changer for IMPP. Right now still heavy bearish momentum for IMPP. Any price below right now this area below the $1.45 is still bearish to me. $1.45 closing for our candle, we'll see a breakout until the $2 and the $2.80. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. As I said, every day alert here on our channel, and the pre-market of course on Patreon. Without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.